Reading Pioneers is proud to present Worry Habits, created by Corbett Schwam. You see, little C needed everything to be exactly the way it had to be. He had to touch the light 4 times at night. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it feel right? Not sure, so he touched it some more. Was the picture straight on the wall? He would move it left, move it right. Did it feel it right? Not sure. He would check the closet. He would check under the bed. He thought maybe he should check the hall instead. He would ask himself, are the windows locked? The door shut tight? Did I tap the doorknob just right? He would say out loud, I did this. I touched that. I made a mess. I must confess. It's okay, right? Over and over, he would say, I like girls, throughout the day. Something if he didn't say that would make him gay. He would wash his hands, clean the floor, even though both felt like such a chore. Did it feel right? Not sure. So he would wash and clean some more. What was it that they said as he played the conversation over and over in his head? Why did I think that? Not sure, but I need to count to 4. Does it feel right? Think it some more. As he would lie in bed, the day played through his head. Did I do it right? Did I do it wrong? Do I belong? Do you want to be friends? They said it depends. Did I say goodnight? Did I hug my mom tight? Oh no! Will she be all right? My chest feels tight. One day, little C, being as brave as he could be, asked his mother, why do I need to do things until it feels right? Why do I feel scared and too afraid to fight? I don't know why, dear, she said. But we should go ask your doctor instead. Thank you for having the courage to let me know. Now, off to the doctor we go. What a surprise to little C when it came to be that he had something called OCD. It starts with a worry that doesn't make you feel right. It makes you feel scared and too afraid to fight. So you perform a task thinking this will make everything okay. That this will help make the worry go away. You repeat the task until it feels right, whether it's the morning, afternoon, or night. And all these tasks that you just can't quit turn into a worry habit. But the worry is too strong and gets in the way. As you repeat the habit, it causes you delay. Even worse, makes you stay, preventing you from doing things like going out to play. With the help of his doctor and support from his parents, little C started to learn that his worry thoughts were just thoughts and nothing more. And that just because he thought them, it didn't make them true. He remembered his doctor telling him, "Your brain isn't magic, so don't let the thoughts upset you." And to let the worry thoughts come and go. And if you give them no attention, there will be no show. He also learned to say to the worry thoughts that day, "You are not real, so go away. Only happy thoughts can stay. You can't hurt me or the ones I love," as he gave the worry thoughts a shove. And rather than having feelings of doom and dread, to take several deep breaths instead. He remembered his doctor telling him to be strong, like a soldier, and do something called exposure. This is when you face your worries, taking no action, knowing that what you fear will not happen. And the more that he confronted his worries this way, that it would help make the fear of them go away. It wasn't easy for little C, and he didn't always feel right. But he wasn't as scared, since he was learning to fight. He worked hard every day to not let his worries get in the way, or to take any action knowing now that nothing bad was going to happen. Little C was no longer giving his OCD any satisfaction. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book Worry Habits, a story to help children better understand and manage OCD by Corbett Schwamm. I love this storybook that focuses on methods, tips, and techniques to help children with their anxiety. The color scheme was also a great choice, and you can tell Corbett did his research to make sure that this story educates every reader. Therefore, I hope you visit Corbett's website, corbettschwamm.com, and get your hands on his book, which is available as a paperback and Kindle ebook. You'll also find Corbett's other book, Worry Thoughts, which is a unique storybook and comic to help children better manage their worries and anxious thoughts. Corbett can be followed on Instagram at Worry Thoughts, so show some support and visit one of these links, which are provided in the description box down below. I'm so thankful Corbett contacted me to read his children's book, and if you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to stay updated with future read alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today. Remember to visit corbettschwamm.com to learn more about this story and the author behind this fantastic children's book. There's also a playlist including Corbett's first book, Worry Thoughts, on my YouTube channel, Reading Pioneers Academy. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.